Okay, so this is our curves page. This allows us to input conversion curves for the gyro to use. This is particularly useful for helicopter applications where there are various different types of power and pitch curve required depending on the mode of flying. However, it can also be very useful for aircraft where different types of performance are required with just one basic stick movement. So this page is split up into two sections. On the left-hand side here we have the section that programs what type of curve we want to send to the BL-3G gyro. On the right-hand side here we have a set of tools which allows us to check which curves we're interested in and also to test them. So if we look at the curve options here, there's a number of curves for power and for pitch, roll and yaw shown here. And we can go ahead and select the curves here and we have a look at them on the display here. For power, the minimum stick position is at the 0 point here and maximum stick position at 100% here. The curve will then translate that into positions 0 to 100% here on the output. Now when we look at pitch, roll and yaw curves, it's more interesting to have the 0 point at the central stick position, and so then we go to minus 100% with minimum stick position and off to plus 100% for maximum stick position. And again the input stick position is translated with the curve to the output stick position here, which is used by the gyro. So let's have a look at an example. Let's have a look at a power curve. Let's say we're interested in the tangent curve, and so we put the tangent curve here, and what we can do then is we can test to see what this tangent curve looks like. First we have to input the tangent curve here on the left hand side to tell the gyro that this is the curve we're interested in. By switching the RC transmitter on and making sure we have power selected here, we could press the start button, and then by toggling the power switch on the RC transmitter we see that the curve is faithfully being followed. So now we can go ahead and program that into the gyro, and we do that in the normal way by going off to the basics page and pressing the send button. Now this send button of course will send all the data from all the various pages to the BL-3G gyro, and so this may take a little bit of time to complete. Okay, now it's complete. Let's go back to the curves page. Now it may be the case that you've forgotten what has been programmed into the gyro, and so it's possible that this PC software is powered up, and it will be powered up with all the defaults showing. I will reset the gyro to make sure that the values actually programmed into the gyro are used. So let's see then, if you really want to know what's been already pre-programmed into the gyro, then this can be done using the acquire button down the bottom here. So if you notice on the power curve we have linear set as the standard curve here. Now by pressing the acquire button you notice this will change to tangent, so it has actually acquired the data that's stored inside the gyro. Now to test that we can go ahead and select tangent on the curve option here, switch our RC transmitter on and press the start button. Now by toggling the power switch you see that indeed it is following this tangent curve, and so this is really proving that this is what the BL-3G gyro is actually using internally. The data used as an output is actually coming from the BL-3G gyro and is actually the data it will be used, so this is a good test. So we can go ahead and program all the curves we like for our power, pitch, roll and yaw on the left hand side here, and we can check out what the curves look like on the right hand side here, you will notice that some curves have low, medium and high options here.